continues expanding its catalog with versatile designs aimed at both collectors and casual wearers. A key highlight is the Jordan Flight Court Metallic Gold, priced at $110, which strikes a refined balance between sport and style. Its sleek all-black foundation is elevated with golden accents on the midsole, midfoot piping, and eye-stay, giving the sneaker a subtle yet luxurious look. As part of Nike's general release lineup, it offers an accessible entry point without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. The launch reflects Jordan Brand's growing shift toward lifestyle-driven silhouettes, alongside fresh models like the Jordan 4RM and Jordan Session. Although purists may lean toward classic retro pairs, these newer offerings demonstrate the Jumpman's ability to appeal to a wider audience. Scheduled to release soon on Nike.com, the Jordan Flight Court Metallic Gold reinforces the brand's commitment to affordability, diversity, and evolving sneaker culture.